Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by doing the fastest, most revealing checks. Turn airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off to force a full reconnect. Watch the signal bars. Next, restart your iPhone and install any pending iOS or carrier settings updates so software isn't blocking data. Finally, power down and remove the SIM, check for dirt or damage, then reinsert it firmly. A poor SIM connection is a common, immediate cause of no cellular data. Once done with basics, move into deeper fixes that target configuration. Reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them handy. Make sure mobile data is enabled and check voice and data or LTE settings. If your carrier supplied an APN, enter it exactly. If uncertainty remains, swap the SIM into another phone or try a different SIM in your iPhone to determine whether the problem is the SIM account. To finish, back up your iPhone, and if nothing else worked, perform a factory reset or DFU restore to eliminate deep software faults. This often resolves stubborn network failures. If restoration doesn't help, immediately contact your carrier to confirm your account provisioning, check for regional outages, or request a replacement SIM. Make sure to test the original SIM in another phone first. If it works there, the issue is the iPhone hardware, and you'll need service or an authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.